Introduction. Welcome to King Bike. Today, we're exploring the incredible Kawasaki Ninja H2R, one of the fastest and most powerful motorcycles ever built. Design and styling. The Ninja H2R features an aggressive aerodynamic design with carbon fiber bodywork and winglets that enhance stability at high speeds. Its futuristic appearance makes it stand out from every other superbike on the road, or track. Engine and performance. At the heart of the H2R is a 998 cubic centimeters supercharged inline-4 engine producing over 300 horsepower. This extraordinary power allows the bike to achieve breathtaking acceleration and top speeds that place it among the fastest motorcycles in the world. Technology and features. The Ninja H2R is packed with advanced technology, including traction control, launch control, engine brake management, and a quick shifter. These features help riders manage the immense power safely and effectively. Riding experience. Built exclusively for closed-circuit use, the H2R delivers an unmatched riding experience. Its precise handling, explosive acceleration, and track-focused engineering make it a dream machine for speed enthusiasts. Conclusion. The Kawasaki Ninja H2R is a masterpiece of engineering that pushes the limits of motorcycle performance. If you love speed, innovation, and cutting-edge technology, the H2R is truly a legend. Thanks for watching King Bike. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing motorcycle content.